Welcome, dear listener. Today we step into a quiet and gentle world, a world where even the smallest thing hold beauty, meaning, and memory. Today we talk about pine cones, symbols of life, nature, and the heart of Christmas. Pine cone come from evergreen trees that stay green even in the coldest winter. And because of that, they became a symbol of hope, a message that even when life feels cold, light and life still remain. For many generations, because people used pine cone to decorate their homes during the winter season, before shiny ornaments and store decoration existed, pine cones were gathered, clean, tied, and simple, string and hung with love. And in that simplicity, there was joy, there was warmth, there was Christmas. Now, the little pine cone and the winter cottage. There was once a small cottage at the edge of a snow covered forest. In the cottage lived a young boy named Thomas and his grandmother, Nina. Their life was simple. They did not own much, but they had each other, and that made their home warm. Every year, the village sparkled with Christmas decorations. Home glowed with lights, ribbons, shiny ornaments, and colors. But Thomas and his mother could not afford such things. One morning, as winter was at its coldest, Thomas walked into the forest. The snow was deep, the air was quiet, and the world felt still. His breath made little clouds in the air. He did not know exactly what he was looking for. He only wished to make Christmas feel special for his grandmother. As he walked, he noticed a pine tree, tall, strong, and ancient, and beneath it, lying softly on a bed of snow, were pine cones. They looked simple, but to Thomas they were beautiful. He carefully gathered them in his hands, holding them like trees because to him they were. When he returned home, Grandmother Nina smiled warmly. Together they cleaned the pine cones, dried them near the fire, and tied them with small pines of thread saved from old clothes. They hung the pine on branches on the window and round their little table. And something magical happened. The cottage began to glow, not with lights from the store, but with warmth, with love, with care. The night neighbor came by to step hello, and when they saw the pine cone glowing in the light of the fire, they were moved. One neighbor whispered, "Christmas is not what hangs on the tree. Christmas is what we carry in the heart." The villagers began to gather pine cone too. Children laughed while decorating, families creating together, homes filled with warmth and joy. Thomas and Nina did not just decorate their home, they reminded